How do you convert cyclohexene to hexane 1,6 dicarboxylic acid? So first write the structure of cyclohexene. Cyclohexene should be converted to hexane 1,6 dioic acid. So if you see the compound cyclohexene, there is hydrogen here, hydrogen. Fourth valence is satisfied by hydrogen. When an alkene is treated with acidic KMnO4, when alkene is treated with acidic KMnO4, the C double bond, the carbon which is forming double bond there, will be converted to carboxylic acid if it is having hydrogen. So here there is hydrogen and here also there is hydrogen. So when it is treated with acidic KMnO4, you will get corresponding dicarboxylic acids. So what is the name of the product obtained here? Hexane 1,6 dioic acid. Okay, that is how we will convert cyclohexene to hexane 1,6 dioic acid by treating with acidic KMnO4.